Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Tamara, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I took these thrifted wooden beads, added dollar store stars, and then made it into this beautiful natural looking garland. I'd originally bought these like little wooden pieces specifically for the heart because I thought I was gonna take the hearts and then hang them off of the stockings that I was making. Fast forward to not really working out, it's just a little too busy, the wood's not going, so I put those aside, and then I ended up doing like orange garland and totally rehauling that whole little space. And then through all of this, I remembered I had these wooden beads from the summer. I knew right away it was gonna look beautiful. Wooden beads, wooden stars, hello, garland. Super simple. I drilled little holes in top of the wooden stars. Once all my stars had the holes drilled in, I took the wooden beads and I strung it onto my garland first. That way I was able to see where I wanted to place the stars. As for hanging the stars, so simple. You take the twine, stuck with a natural white, strung it through my little holes that I made, and then tied a knot, and boom, there it is. I'm really excited with how it turned out. I think it's so pretty. I love it. It's a really nice natural element. It complements the orange slices. It looks great against the green. It makes that little gift table so Christmassy and cozy. I love it. It just makes me feel so cozy and comfortable and warm. That's it. So simple. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me for my short and sweet little video. And if you made it this far in the video, woohoo! Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.